Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2008 F350 that the customer wanted to customize by putting an 8-inch lift on. That's a pretty good sized lift, but we were up for the task. Customer supplied the lift kit that they wanted to install and an additional set of 40-inch wheels and tires that they wanted to put on after the fact. We've got some before and after photos of what actually had to take place to get the lift on. As you can see, it's a really nice system. Gives the vehicle a very customized look. And not only that, in addition to the lift kit, they wanted us to put on a set of electric running boards. We put on some amp research running boards that when you open the door, the running board goes down, and when you close the door, it retracts up into a position where it's not very easily seen. So it keeps the look of the vehicle clean while offering that additional step up to get into a vehicle with a lift of this magnitude. So if you're thinking about putting a lift on your vehicle, or maybe you want to put some running boards on and you're not quite sure where to go or who to take it to, we are definitely able to customize your vehicle like that. So give us a call. My name's Dan. I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.